How to delete recently played on Spotify. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. Also, don't forget to check the description box as you'll find some great offers and amazing giveaways that you might be interested in. With that said, let's get started. So if we open up Spotify, you will see that we will have this recently played section, which is your songs history, the songs that you have listened to on Spotify. Now, if you wanted to delete this history right here, there are actually some options that people use, but they don't actually work. So for example, if you clicked on the one of the songs or playlist and you wanted to delete that, you won't see actually the option to do so, as you can see. Also, if you clicked on the settings gear right here at the top right, and there's no option here either to delete the playlist. And also another option that people tend to use is to clear the cache and data of the Spotify app from the storage section right here, but this also does not work. So what can you do to actually delete these songs right here and get them from this list? The only solution that you can do actually is to uh, play other songs. So as you can see here, we have some limited spots. So each new song that you will listen to, say for example, let me play anything new, like just anything new, and each new song that you play or playlist that you play, each new song or playlist will replace, take a spot here in this section, and will take off another one. So by playing random songs, just keep playing some random playlists. This is the first one. Uh, this is the second one. This is the third one. And do that over and over till all of your history is gone and is replaced by these random songs, as you can see right here. That's like the only way that you can delete songs or playlists from this recently played section. So that was it for this video. That's how you can delete your recently played on Spotify. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.